Hey, I got the med bag finally.
Okay, so this is
I keep working on this gun.
323. 323. What? 4119.
Okay.
The other one. 24.
I don't know why I just thought about the prayer from Family Guy where I think like Stewie's like, "Dear God, stay out of our way."
Yeah.
Watch me laugh. So stupid. I got to drive a NIMRAP in real life once. It was not fun. Well, I mean, it's not easy, I guess I should say. Oh, it's Jabronis.
Okay.
Eating a sandwich?
No, protein pack.
Gross.
What are you up to watching E3?
No, I'm playing
That
Battlefield.
was over.
Well, Capcom's starts in 1 minute.
They're not gonna announce the only thing I want, so it doesn't matter.
Well, Last World.
What?
I don't know. It's sort of like a random Capcom game.
Hey, I stole the fucking squad from this guy.
Dragon
Eat
Dogma
my
2.
ass.
Take Dragon Quest?
Dragon's Dogma 2. That game had lots of potential to be good if it wasn't the most shitty traveling of any game I've ever played.
Dragon Dogma 2 will run in the same engine as Resident Evil Village. Okay.
Did it get announced?
So it's just a random article from yesterday.
Oh, maybe it did then. I think I would have saw the trailer for it. Sweet Christ. Close the task. Jeez, much task manager.
You know that meme of Shaq where he's eating the wings and he makes that face like, oh.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just made me laugh. Just wanted to bring it up.
Huh.
A lot of games got added to the Game Pass today. Let's see.
All right, enemy chopper just crashed into the wall. I fucking love it. That saves me the trouble having to shoot him down.
Oh, there was a leak of Dragon's Dogma. Oh shit. Okay. I don't believe that. Even with the fucking pictures.
Woo! I'm gonna get shot down. Watching that tank in the gameplay trailer shoot the chopper out of the air, such a great feeling.
How about the end when the ATV killed the chopper?
Yeah.
Chopper getting shot down by everything but anti-air.
I don't like the part about that part with the ATV and the chopper. I was like, how is that person's C4? They were like way off to the left.
Yeah, I think it was mainly just the fact that it hit him at all, like just the.
I get that, but that was like that looks super scripted, which is odd. Because you don't need to do that in Battlefield. If you just record like 1,000 hours of gameplay, you're gonna get some wild shit.
Yeah, I mean, I played for way too many hours yesterday, and I got a lot of good shit.
That's what I'm saying. Like you don't need to fake it.
When did they say it was coming out?
Sometime this year, I think.
I am just being a terror in the Little Bird right now.
That's when a fucking action helicopter shows up and rips up the bubble and says, "Eat it."
Yeah, I'm waiting for the jet to come over here and ruin me. They have an anti-air tank, but I've been trying to like dodge them pretty well.
I will say the anti-air tank is one of the funniest things in Thor to me, because it will lose against a good Apache every single time.
Yeah,
There is no counterplay. Because TV missile, right? Because TV missile. The anti-aircraft has nothing that can stop the TV missile.
Yeah, no, the TV missile's gonna hit you.
And and you're too slow to dodge it, right? It's
Yeah, the anti-air tank's firing at me right now. He's trying to get me. But I'm in Dawnbreaker right now, so the whole map's got buildings everywhere. Where the fuck that chopper go? There's no way he got out of that city. That's a jet. Oh, I'm gonna get down. I got a little too excited there. I shouldn't be doing that. Ah! Killed in action. I'll take that over the kill. I don't even care. Fuck. I just spawned in hell. Let me get this enemy tank. This gun's fucking amazing. I gotta use this on all my kits, or all my engineer kits. I don't even have attachments in this gun, and it's just shredding people. This shouldn't even be allowed.
What's going on? What's going on? What are y'all doing?
I'll be right back.
Over here and enjoying some saltines and cherry tomatoes.
Okay, I know my computer's fucked now because I just closed Discord and I'm still talking.
Can I get some ammo? Thank you.
Steam keep updating me that you're sharing your games with me.
Just took a sniper shot in the fucking mouth.
You've put 21 hours since you bought Battlefield.
Dude, I've been enjoying it, man. That is not a guy. I'm shooting nobody. Yep, that's who I should be looking for. Is Tan Spartan. How many kills you got? Let's see. We just look. Oh, you're 8-3. I'm actually very amazed to see you're 8-3. That's how you're playing.
Was Bass able to play the game?
Yeah, we played a shit ton yesterday. His internet in his house went out once, but that's to no issue of the game.
Yeah. Kind of took off the weekend for the most part.
How did he kill me? Oh, he killed me with an F2000. I thought I got killed by a C4.
Boy.
Did you like that video earlier?
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Like, I'm not kidding. It was within the same life. Like, if I just taken the same video and just fast forwarded, like, it was pretty fucking funny. Is this a head peak right here? Oh, it is. This side.
Speaking of videos, I haven't caught up on your YouTube videos. I'm like 4 behind.
Oh no. That's gonna hurt my... I got nothing. I got no joke for this. But the main point of the joke is that nobody watches the videos.
I watch it. Bass watches it. I think Justin watches it. I haven't missed a single one that you uploaded in your entire YouTube history. Even like your fucking 30-minute one from DayZ. Trunks OP.
I just traded with that guy. I'm not doing so hot this match. I don't know if I'm gonna come in first again. This guy is still sniping. Let me see if I can hit him with an RPG. Just a Hail Mary. Oh, that'll do it. They have a little bird with 25mm cannons just ruined me. Ruined me.
3:52, too late for coffee.
I'm drinking a Mountain Dew.
Yeah, I've already had half a coffee and a shit ton of Coke. Fine, I'll drink water.
See an enemy small vehicle. Probably kill that with my anti-air vehicle. Nope, never mind. That's an LAV. I'm dead. Ugh. The anti-aircraft gun is so bad against infantry on the ground.
Which is funny because tanks and company heroes always build those if they're spamming infantry.
Yeah. Can we attack Charlie?
Just fuck them up.
There we go. Jeez.
I don't know who was firing on me just now, but it actually was hurting me.
Jesus.
People are so fucking mean to the internet. Jesus Christ. There's like a panel of women talking about like women in gaming industry. And it's just the worst comments you could think of.
Oh yeah, I can imagine.
Jesus, man. It's like, it shows that Capcom's gonna start in 35 minutes. And everyone's like, 35 minutes are too long to hear bitches talk. I'm like, god damn.
Jesus.
Like, that was like in all caps, too.
Uh,
You think there's some sort of moderator on this giant stream?
No.
Oh, you should have seen it before Battlefield started, man. People were putting the pride flag with like vomit faces and shit.
Yeah.
Just the ultimate trolls.
I mean,
Can we not capture? Let's go capture Charlie.
There are messages being deleted, but if I scroll up, I bet I see that fucking comment.
hang on. So the two biggest streams on Twitch right now are E3 and then MizKid. Is that a titty streamer? Twice as many people on, you know, E3 on that person as E3.
What the fuck does this comment even mean? Why are these women crying about representation in gaming? I'm a straight white male and have no representation in games. Those characters never represent me. Right?
That's
It's
awesome.
just a bunch of idiots.
Yeah.
What a weird hill to die on there. Like, who cares? I've never once cared about the race of my character in a game.
No. I
Well,
don't either.
I mean, so theoretically, right? That's because you are a straight white male.
And I guess a
do
lot of
have
time
rep-
it has been. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you
And when I
have.
create if they give me the option of creating a character, I almost always make a straight white male. I don't make, I mean straight, whatever. I don't think you can control the sex orientation, but.
It usually doesn't come up, right?
Right. But that's just because I'm representing myself.
Well,
Yes, that's the thing. The argument for representation is, like, for example, the go-to story I've always seen is, someone was watching some little black kid was watching Spider-Verse for the first time, right? And, like, you know, they got to freak out and say, "Oh shit, I can be Spider-Man now." That's, you know what I mean? And that's, you know, because especially since Spider-Verse is a thing, right? It's like, it doesn't matter, right? You can live.
What if they make Spider-Man a woman? Or a trans?
They've done that before. It's literally Spider-Woman.
You're assuming a gender.
Jessica, what's her name?
Spider-Person.
Jessica, what? No. The closest thing to completely agendered spider person is
The pig.
Spider's Man. No, Spider's Man, who is a sentient ball of spiders in the shape of a Spider-Man.
I still like the pig the best from Spider-Verse. What was his name? I can't remember his name.
Spider-Ham.
I thought it was something more clever than that.
It is not.
Spider-Man. Yeah. Voiced by
John Mulaney.
Yeah, John Mulaney. I like John Mulaney. He's funny.
He is a Zoomer though. He's but a young babe.
Not really. He's older than you would think.
He just looks really young.
38, dude.
I was way younger than that.
Yeah, he just looks older or looks younger.
I am now. See, my problem with what's going on screen isn't the fact that it's women talking. It's the fact that anyone's talking and they're not showing me video games. I don't give a shit who they are.
I don't like the
Like,
guy.
That's what a lot of the comments are saying too. There's already been a shit ton of trailers. What do they want?
I understand, but then just.
And also, this is the year after the worst year for like game development ever. Like, you gotta give them a break.
Well,
I'm unhappy.
No.
Like,
No,
shit's not just gonna
yes.
come out of the woodwork because of
no,
COVID.
no. Yes and no. On the one hand, yes, it should. There's not going to be that much stuff. But on the other hand, not much stuff came out last year, so it should be being announced or saying we're almost done today.
Or
coyote
massive
sights.
delays because of last year.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. But it's been, even with COVID.
Who
you
knows?
would imagine
Maybe shit like Cyberpunk scared a lot of people off. You never know.
that could be.
So, I mean, that was supposed to be the best game of last year, and wow, I stopped playing. I haven't played it since April of last year or some shit like that, or June.
I don't think I've either. I got to the end, and it was like, hey, if you play this mission, it's the end, and then I never finished it.
Let me see. Yeah, I haven't played it since December 23rd, 2020.
I just don't have. I haven't even got that far. I just don't have the need to play it for some reason. I just don't. I could play it in 4K and make it look prettier and shit. I just don't really care to play it.
I'm downloading Outer Worlds right now because Justin told me the DLC for it's pretty fun.
Did you beat the first one?
I think I got close. I think I'm like near the end.
The ending
It's
is
not,
nothing.
it's not a very long
I'm
game.
gonna assume I was
No.
still hurt from that last fight, because that guy just
The
plowed me.
ending is literally nothing. It literally, you do what you set out to do, and then the game ends. That's it. Like, there's no twist or anything. It's literally, you just do what you were like the you know, the impetus of the game, and then the game ends. That's it.
Oh, he's got 30mm cannons on. I was gonna say I had that same tank. It wouldn't hurt people that bad.
Which, I mean, sure, that's usually how most things end, but it felt really flat.
Survive.
Mostly because the entire last hour or two of the game is a sneaking mission, which is weird.
Over the weekend, me and some friends played Sentinels for the first time in over a year.
Real
I
life?
don't know what that is, so I'm gonna
real
assume
life.
you're making fun of me.
Yep.
And we all got really into it again, so we're gonna do it every other month. Every month, I think, actually.
You gonna buy all 12 expansions?
Alright, we already have the first Rogue City one, and then because they bought it for us because we got the full game, and then I just got the new one because I saw it on sale on eBay.
Is it a game or a board game?
Yes.
It's a cooperative card game.
It is
technically
also
board game.
a video game.
Yeah, but it's a card game. We don't care about the video game.
I understand, but I'm saying you could save money. I think you could put it on like a tablet. Right now, given you
You're
lose
not
the
hearing what
tech-
I'm saying. We don't care about the video game.
I know, but I'm
There's
saying it's
zero
way.
point even
Yeah,
mentioning the video. Because
Well,
the whole
it's-
point is
it's-
so we can socialize and be around and
No, I
hang
know,
out.
but I'm saying you pass the fucking tablet around. You still hang out, man. But
lose the draw of a card game.
I know, but it saved you like $200. Is what I'm saying. That's all.
It's already done. We bought the next expansion, and then they're remastering it.
Alright,
It's supposed to come out at the end of the
That
year.
is my biggest pet peeve with Battlefield right now. That's happened to me way too often lately, where I go to shoot a rocket at a tank, and it hits the window in front of me, and then blows up.
Uh-oh.
That is the loudest thing I've ever heard in my entire life.
He,
And
he
he's
came in hot on me.
I'm playing Battlefield now, so that hurt my ears.
speaking of that, I fucking forgot what I was gonna say. What was I gonna
Justin
say?
told me it was really loud on Friday. Unless he like pick up the frequency just perfectly. Here, I'm gonna grab it and put it next to the mic. Here you go.
Turn.
Beat.
Oh,
He can't
Trez,
get no
did you
walks
see-
anymore. It's too hot.
Did you see the Guardians video game that looks striking again while that iron is nice and rusty?
Guardians? You're talking about the Marvel game?
No, I'm talking about the Guardians game.
Of the Galaxy?
Yes,
Yeah.
but it's not the Avengers game. It's a separate game.
It's not the Galaxy.
Is it
Where
gonna
you
play
choose-
like this?
No, apparently it looked from what I looked at, what it looked like. It's imagine if you were playing first or third person. What was that game we played that had all the superheroes? Ultimate Alliance. If you were playing third person Ultimate Alliance.
Okay, that's the only way to play Ultimate Alliance, third person. So I don't get what you're saying.
Wait, Ultimate Alliance is top down.
So
Yes,
it
it's
sounds
still-
like the Avengers. So
I should have lost that fight
Well,
just now.
except you only can play as Star-Lord, and it's got like story decisions. I don't know. That's like there was their big. It doesn't look that great. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just
What was
saying
that-
it exists.
what was that old PS2 X-Men game? RPG style? That's what they should remake.
That's just
The
Ultimate
one where like it
Alliance.
was
That's just Ultimate Alliance. I think.
I mean, I know that it was X-Men though specifically.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying they
Is there
stopped making that because they made Ultimate Alliance because it has
He's
just
trying
more
to
heroes.
shoot me right now.
Because people wanted to play Spooderman and Deadpool, right?
Dude, someone's got me lased right now, and like everyone in the brother keeps shooting me from across the map.
Someone has their fucking laser pointer at you.
Like they have like one of those SOFLAMs you like place in the ground and just leave. I'm assuming.
Yeah. If you scan the area, it should be a giant fucking lens flare.
I don't
Like
see it. Like there's a lot of rooftops, so either he's got it hidden in a really good spot, or fucking someone is just aiming it at me.
I don't think you can. I think you can just hold it.
No, there's one you can hold in your hands.
Oh, okay, then
it's a
it's probably
starting
that
thing.
Then it's probably doing that one.
It's X-Men Legends, I think is what it is.
Yeah. Yes, it's like the prequel to Ultimate Alliance, more or less.
That's not. X-Men Rise of the Apocalypse. That doesn't look like any other. I can't remember what it looked like.
I mean, I think there was one where you create your own X-Man, but I think that was still like either a beat 'em up or a very similar to Ultimate Alliance.
Oh, I got like 10 guys with eagles. I think that's the issue right now for me.
I mean, yeah. There's
I have eyes on a hostile sniper south of your location.
I don't whatever.
I have
I'm
eyes
just
on a
doing
hostile
Rolling Stones E3 collaborations because woo boy, can't get enough of them Rolling Stones.
It's supposed to be remastering Diablo 2, right? Looks like it's launching in September.
Fucking anti-air guns. Light me up! Oh, I'm out.
Attack this objective. Hey, I can fix your vehicle. Have eyes on an enemy immediately captured.
Why am I waiting for Capcom? I like looked at the predictions. I'm like, I don't care about any of these games.
No, that's what I was saying. I don't know why you fucking
literally
care.
exiting out right now. I don't even know I'm here.
You wanna crack a hole in your wall that you now own and play some Street Fighter.
Just fighting games are behind me. Even when there's a fighting game portion of It Takes Two, and I got my ass kicked. It's a fucking kids game. I don't know what to do for the next hour.
I've spotted enemy snipers due south of your location. Just neutralize objective Alpha. I spotted a hostile sniper west of you. Objective Alpha has been taken. We own objective.
Damn. Finally went down. I was killing a lot of aircraft. I just never think that's fun though, sitting in the anti-aircraft tank back in my spawn just aiming. Like that can't be that much fun. I guess if it's fruitful, perhaps.
Don't fun shame him. Jesus, Bass put in 8 hours with you the other day?
We played 5 yesterday.
You only put 8 hours in the game. I've only put 8.7, so he must have just played straight through.
Stop fun shaming him.
Did he purchase a shortcut?
No, he earned his RPG yesterday. He's pretty high level already. I mean, double XP helps.
Heads up! Hostile vehicles due west of your position. Objective Charlie has been neutralized. Listen up. I've eyes on a hostile AT soldier west of your location. Spotted an enemy tank.
The fuck? The fuck just happened to me? Thanks a lot, Origin. I almost fucking died because of that shit.
Oh, I hit join on your game. Did it fuck you up?
Fucked me up. It kicked me out of my game. Or it kicked me out of my fucking screen.
Are you still in my game?
I'm still in. I was in a helicopter.
I didn't do it on purpose.
No, you're good,
Hold
man.
on.
It's this fucking shitty platform. Jesus.
I don't know why that would even notify you. Who cares?
I don't know why it would have to fucking minimize my screen.
I'm still a whiles away from joining, so 12. or
Just give. It'll say like you have 11 fucking like queue or some shit, but like it's I make it in way faster than you'd think.
Sweet boy.
That anti-aircraft tank is really pissing me off.
Lost control of objective Charlie. An enemy center has been ID'd just west of your boss. What's the objective?
wonder if this game specifically is getting a lot more attention because of BF6.
I wonder about that too.
Because I don't think everyone wants to play BF5 before they play a shooter or
Or
a
one.
future shooter, or yeah, any of those old games, like old-timey games. I mean, the fact that they're just like putting all their budget into the multiplayer is probably going to be pretty good.
Oh, fuck, I had 2 helicopters fighting me. I couldn't kill one, dude. Shit. Oh, that's frustrating. And I had an anti-aircraft fucking guy just parked, man. I fucking hate him. I'm dead. That timing.
Well, since I'm in a queue and I can't escape, I'll just go make some coffee. Fuck it.
This game's almost over, so you should make it in soon. Oh, that chopper is dead-aroo. Dude took my squad position, asshole. Probably the wrong path to be taking with that tank next to me, but I don't really care. Make it. Okay. I should have got at least a suppression assistant for that one. Oh, I'm so close to first place and this game's almost over. Damn, I'm not gonna get it. I missed it by 300 points. Ass.